Tomica Audi R8. The Audi R8 was released June 17, 2017 and retired November 2019. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is blue, and it has black 1K wheels with silver trim. On the front, it has Audi badge, headlights, and detailed grille. On the side, it has silver trim beside the door. On the back, it has Audi and R8 badge with taillights. Black window tint. Black plastic base. Tomica Cars Sally. Sally was released March 2008 and retired July 2022. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The toy includes the main figure of Sally, standard type. It is based on a character from the Disney movie Cars. Tomica Mini John Cooper Works. The Mini John Cooper Works was released November 18, 2017 and retired September 2021. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is red, and it has black 1H wheels with silver rims. On the front, it has mini badge and headlights. On the back, it has mini badge with tail lights. On the hood, it has 2 black stripes and it has black window tint. Black plastic base. Tomica Premium Nissan Skyline GT-R KPGC 10. The Nissan Skyline GT-R KPGC 10 was released April 2020. Let's see the detail of the box. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has detailed plastic wheels. On the front, it has detailed front grille and headlights with license plate. On the side, it has Skyline badge and silver trim. On the back, it has GT-R badge and license plate with detailed taillights. Clear window tint. The door can be opened. It has black plastic base with silver exhaust.